Let's start. This is why baking soda is one of the most powerful things you can use. Here's what you didn't know about it. Undoubtedly, baking soda is an incredible, amazing ingredient that can serve you in numerous ways. Primarily, it is extremely effective in preventing various diseases, starting from a common cold to cancer. Moreover, it is also really beneficial as a cleaning agent and is remarkable as a natural product for your personal hygiene, oral health, and skin and hair care. It offers numerous benefits for your health, so you should always have it at hand. These are some of its additional health properties. Removes plaque. Contains antipyretic, anti-itching properties, so it enhances the quality of your skin and hair. Effectively treats influenza and colds. Prevents the formation of kidney stones, bladder infections, and hyperkalemia. Lowers the risk of acidity, peptic ulcer, diarrhea, metabolic acidosis, and drug intoxication. Despite all these, baking soda can provide innumerable other health benefits, many of which you have never heard of. Therefore, we will reveal a few of these for you. Acid reflux. Baking soda is the perfect solution for the occurrence of acid reflux. In a big cup, combine 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice. This mixture fizzles, so after it stops, add 8 ounces water. Drink the prepared drink all at once. Its consumption will create an alkaline environment in the body as it will reduce acid reflux and neutralize the pH imbalance. Furthermore, you can mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 16 ounces water in order to prepare a drink which will lower the heartburn and GERD symptoms. As a folk remedy, baking soda can be used in other health issues, including accelerate the healing of canker sores and herpes. Apply a combination of baking soda and water directly on the affected place. Eliminate grime and fungus from your nails. Add some baking soda on your old toothbrush and scrub them. Freshen up your breath. Add some baking soda to water and gargle. Relieve the pain and itching due to insect bites, bee stings, itching from poison ivy, oak. Add 1 tablespoon peppermint essential oil, 3 tablespoons baking soda, 1 tablespoon salt and warm water in a small basin. In order to ease bad odor, soreness, and itching, you should soak your hands and feet in this solution. Put some baking soda on your toothbrush and brush your teeth in order to whiten them. Exfoliate your skin. Add a tablespoon of baking soda to a teaspoon of water and successfully get rid of dead skin cells and excess oil from the face. Soothes muscle pain. Drink a mix of baking soda and water after a strenuous physical activity. Other home remedies. Dr. Simoncini pointed out the relation between baking soda and the treatment of cancer, and it was additionally clarified and confirmed by Dr. Mark Serkis in the book Sodium Bicarbonate. He claims that the combination of baking soda and molasses can successfully prevent cancer, diabetes, and recurrent fungal infections. Cure UD. Mix 8 ounces water and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and drink the mixture twice a day. Get rid of oral thrush. Mix water and baking soda and gargle. Get rid of candida yeast and cure the itching. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda and warm water. Reduce the symptoms of thrombosis. Combine lemon juice or apple cider vinegar with baking soda. If you liked this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel and give us a big like.